5 best dictionaries for English learner. First one is dictionary.cambridge.org. It has a huge collection of grammar words. If you write an English word here, you can find its meanings, its examples, and full detail about this word. Second one is oxfordlearnerdictionary.com. This is basically not a dictionary, but it is a series in which you can find Urdu to English or English to Urdu and from any other language to English. And the third one is collinsdictionary.com. In this dictionary you can find the meaning of any other languages as well. By clicking on the heading you can take directly to the dictionary. And the fourth one is vocabulary.com. It is also an amazing dictionary for the meaning of words. It has a good explanation of vocabulary and grammar. And the last and the fifth one is Merriam-Webster.